Hey guys, we have another great product review. It's 4K dashcam camera.
A 4K dash camera. Ooh, I need one of these in my car. You have one in yours. I need a dash camera in mine. Go ahead and take that out of the box there, Jen. Let's take a look at this dash camera.
Oh, look at how cute it is. So cute.
And it has GPS tracking, which is great.
Hey, look at
We've got our cables,
for like
our suction cup for windshield mounting,
there are a few of them, but two.
different mounts, but you got some directions in there. Alright, I'll tell you what, let's go ahead
Look,
and what's
I
that?
have a sign.
Dash camera recording. Yes, one of the cool features about this camera is if your car is parked and someone's breaking into it or hitting your car, the dash camera will automatically turn on.
That's cool.
Okay, I see we have an instruction manual. Let's go ahead and mount the camera in the car and take a quick read of the instruction manual. Okay, we have our dash cam ready to place on the windshield. Now what it does, I haven't mounted it on the windshield yet. Let me turn the car on. And when the car is turned on, it will start right up. Now I've already gone through some of the menu features to set it up the way I wanted. I've got it set up for HD recording at 2.7K, 30 frames per second. It has 4K at 24 frames a second. I think 30 frames at 2.7K is going to be all I need. So I got it set up and it's recording right now. And I really like the design of the suction cup, how it places on the windshield. On other ones I've had previously, you gotta lick it and hope it sticks. This one, oh, if I can get in there. Just turn this. It's hard to see, but it has a little knob that you turn and it holds securely in place. So today's a rainy day. I'll show you some rainy footage. I'll show you some nighttime footage. And hopefully we can have a bright sunny day and see how the footage looks on a clear day. Okay, so I want to show I have the GPS mounted on the windshield. It's got a 3M sticker and it is securely in place. Now this will give you GPS tracking. It will show you your miles per hour or kilometers per hour, however you set it. And this is so cool to have. Okay, so I want to show how the dash camera performs under various lighting conditions. Here we have a rainy day. It's miserable out. And this is how the footage will look on a rainy day. The camera has a wide angle lens. Now I probably have it aimed too low at this point. You can see too much of my dash. Now on a rainy day like this, the ground is kind of darker than the sky in this situation, and you can adjust the exposure. I'm probably just going to leave it as is and just get an average exposure, but this will give you a general idea of what it would look like. Now nighttime. Now it was still kind of a rainy night. My window's a little bit fogged up. You can see it there in the lights. But the picture is nice and clear. You can make out some of the details of the cars way ahead of me. You can see the lights coming on and coming in my direction. So this would record your basic information. If you were in a wreck or if you needed evidence for the police, say you were pulled over for a ticket, you have your own proof of how fast you were traveling. Now the dash camera is also recording audio, and it does a good job. But I have my radio on and I don't want to get any copyright infringement. Now daytime, this is when the camera really performs at its best. The images, high definition, nice and clear, side to side, nice wide angle lens. Now I'm recording at 2.7K. You can record at 4K at a lower frame rate. 2.7K at 30 frames per second is all I need. This is perfect, and if I needed more detail, because it's a wide angle lens, it's not going to show objects as close as they appear. If I wanted more detail, I could zoom in post-production. But this will give you a general view of what the footage will look like in daytime. Now, right here, we're kind of going towards the sun. You see a little bit of a glare, but still recording great footage. Now, I downloaded the Dash Go app. This will give you an example. It's showing you all the information, your miles per hour, your longitude, your latitude. You have your map, and you have a choice between satellite or map. Now, like I said before, this is great evidence. If you were ever pulled over for speeding and the police officer said you were going faster than you actually were, this is the evidence you want to take into the courtroom. It shows your miles per hour, and this is undisputed evidence. Let the policeman come up with better evidence than this, that you were going faster. In the map, you can zoom in, and you can see my vehicle going up the highway. This is recorded information from the GPS tracker. It's amazing how this technology works. You can have your, I don't have my clock set, but you can have your time and date stamp. I really need to set that up. So there you go. I highly recommend you get in a dash camera. Now this one is suiting me perfect. I'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.